Hi, great to be here this week. This week, the word tools has been kind of bothering me. Tools for living a happy, fulfilling life. I'm not sure this is taught anywhere, but I believe this is the purpose of life. We are here to figure out the tools that we personally need to live a fulfilling life. And this is very personal to each and every one of us. I'm going to call this the human being school. We go to school and learn different subjects, but we're not taught how to be a kind, grateful, understanding, respectful, have manners, and be a resourceful human being. Now, we can get this from our family, but some don't have that family network to teach. Yet they do survive and go beyond what their home life provided. The way we learn these tools in our human being school, when we encounter others, that's when we're learning. When we're given challenges, that's when we're learning. When we encounter failure, that's when we're learning. When we have loss, that is when we are learning. And when we encounter fear and trauma, that is when we are learning. So the action item for this week is to ponder a list of defining moments in our lives. How old were we? Where were we? Who were we with? What did we learn? And what tools got us through? Was there someone who had influenced and helped us? Human Being School is in session 24/7, 365 days a year, and there's no tuition. The only thing that is required is fortitude, determination, intention, love, self-love, grace, willingness to be open and accepting, not becoming the victim, but becoming the victor. And so the word of the week this week is going to be hammer. And I chose hammer because I think of Thor. His hammer, it got him through everything. And so the H is for hail. Hail is strong, fit, and hearty. And that is what we become in Human Being School. Life continues to provide opportunity to learn and build upon our knowledge. The A is for achieve, to bring to a successful conclusion, to reach a goal. Small accomplishments over time. It does not happen overnight. It is minute by minute, day by day. We get to take our time. The M is for marvel, something unusual, wonderful, outstanding. We are each a marvel to this world. Every life we encounter, we have an opportunity to have influence. And the other M is for mettle, a high quality of personal character, bravery, courage, and spirit. We all have this in us. The E is for enable, to make possible, to empower. This is the true human journey. All things are possible. The R is for radiance, the quality or state of being bright and brilliant and luminescent. We share our radiance when we live our best life, when we share kindness and empathy with others. This should be fun. If we can step back and look at every day as a human being school, I think we won't take life as seriously or personally. We will have better perspective. We can respond instead of reacting to whatever is coming at us. Have a great week, everyone.
That was Jean Edelman here on The Truth About Your Future. And if you want to get more of Jean's Words of the Week, just go to thetruthayf.com.